Prima Re is packed with all the features that help you manage your ceded reinsurance. Today, we'd like to show you how you can close periods and produce statements with Prima Re. First, let's access the accounting page, where we find the list of open periods. Let's freeze last month's figures by clicking here, so that Prima Re now generates all the draft statements and reports for that period in order that we may review the activity before closing the period. To do that review, we can go to the Sessions page to take a look at some draft reports. For example, we can double-click this session to see its details and its list of statement reports. And we can see there are final reports for the closed periods and a draft report which has just been generated for us. So let's open the draft. Here we are. It's all the information we expect and is stamped draft so no one sends it to the reinsurer until it is finalized. Now let's say we do not agree with all the numbers, then we need to make some adjustments. For that, we first go back to the accounting page and click on Reopen, so Prima Re will now allow us to make all the necessary adjustments. And once we finish, we can freeze the period again and check the new set of draft reports and statements. This time, let's check the draft statement prepared for a carrier. If we go to the carrier page, we can select one of the reinsurers concerned and we can see the list of statements, including the draft statement we've just regenerated. Once we agree with all the numbers, we should close the period in the accounting page, and this will finalize all the draft statements and reports and send them to accounting for payment and reconciliation. So if we check the session again, we can see that the statement produced for that period is now in a final state, so it can be printed out and sent to the reinsurers or brokers. That was a brief demonstration of how to close periods and produce statements with Prima Re. Thanks for watching.